The 27th match of IPL 2025 will witness the Sunrisers Hyderabad hosting Punjab Kings at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, Hyderabad on April 12th. Both the teams head into this contest with contrasting fortunes so far in the tournament. Sunrisers Hyderabad are languishing near the bottom of the table with just one win in their 5 matches. Their most recent outing saw them suffer a comprehensive defeat at the hands of Gujarat Titans, with Nitish Kumar Reddy's 31 run being lone spark in an otherwise dismal batting display. Punjab Kings, on the other hand, have found their groove and currently sit on the 4th position with 3 wins in 4 games. Their most recent victory came against the Chennai Super Kings was not just dominant but also featured a star-making performance from Priyansh Arya, who smashed a sensational 103 to lead his team home. Moving on to head-to-head record between these two sides. Historically, Sunrisers Hyderabad hold an edge in head-to-head encounters, having won 16 out of their 23 matches against Punjab Kings. However, with SRH's current form dipping and PBK's building momentum, this clash could see tables turning around. Moving on to Sunrisers versus the Punjab Kings weather and pitch report. Temperatures are expected to be around 29 degrees Celsius. Weather forecast is broken clouds. Pitch behavior is batting friendly and best suited to the pace bowlers. Average first inning score here is around 201 runs, and teams chasing have a good record, having 59% win rate. Moving on to SRH versus PBKS predicted playing 11s. Firstly, the Sunrisers. Travis Head opening alongside Abhishek Sharma, having Ishan Kishan at number 3. Nitish Kumar Reddy at number 4. Henrik Klassen, the wicketkeeper, at number 5. Aniket Verma at number 6. Kamindu Mendes at number 7. Pat Cummins, the captain, at number 8. Zishan Ansari at number 9. Jaydev Unadkat at number 10, Mohammad Shami at number 11, and Simarjeet Singh can come in as the impact player. Moving on to the Punjab Kings. Priyansh Arya opening alongside Prabhsimran Singh, the wicket-keeper. Shreyas Iyer, the captain, at number 3. Nihal Vadhera at number 4. Glenn Maxwell at number 5. Shashank Singh at number 6. Marcus Stoinis at number 7. Marco Jensen at number 8. Yuzvendra Chahal at number 9. Arshdeep Singh at number 10. Lockie Ferguson at number 11, and Yash Thakur can come in as the impact player. Now the creamy segment, hot picks for Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Punjab Kings match, Dream 11 predictions, and the fantasy cricket tips. Firstly, the captaincy picks. Priyansh Arya, the explosive left-hander from Punjab Kings, is fresh off a match-winning 103 and will be eager to replicate that form. Travis Head, despite a quiet last match, Head is known for his aggressive starts and could bounce back in style at home. Moving on to the top picks. Shreyas Iyer, the Punjab captain, hasn't fired in the last 2 matches but is too talented to ignore and is due for a big knock. Abhishek Sharma offers versatility with bat and part-time spin, adding all-round fantasy value. Moving on to the budget picks. Marco Jensen, a 2-dimensional cricketer who can swing the new ball and finish the games with the bat. Nitish Kumar Reddy, a stabilizing presence in the middle order of SRH and likely to contribute in fantasy points. Now moving on to the SRH versus PBKS Dream 11 predicted teams. Team 1, safe team for the small leagues. Wicket keepers are Henrik Klassen, Ishan Kishan, and Prabhsimran Singh. Batsmen are Shreyas Iyer, Travis Head, and Priyansh Arya. All-rounders are Glenn Maxwell, Abhishek Sharma, Marco Jensen, and Marcus Stoinis, and the sole bowler is Pat Cummins. So the season, Travis Head will be leading this side, having Shreyas Iyer as the vice-captain. Now the SRH versus PBKS predicted team 2, risky team for the Grand Leagues. Wicket keepers are Henrik Klassen, Ishan Kishan, and Prabhsimran Singh. Batsmen are Shreyas Iyer, Travis Head, and Priyansh Arya. All-rounders are Glenn Maxwell, Abhishek Sharma, and Marco Jensen, and the bowlers are Arshdeep Singh and Pat Cummins. So the in-form Priyansh Arya is supposed to lead this team, having Abhishek Sharma, the all-rounder, as the vice-captain. Now the expert advice for this high-stakes match. Small league captaincy choice is Travis Head. Grand league captaincy choice is Priyansh Arya. Punt picks can be Arshdeep Singh and Marcus Stoinis. And the ideal Dream 11 team combination for this match is 3 wicket keepers, 3 batsmen, 4 all-rounders, and a sole bowler. Now the final segment is match winners prediction. While Sunrisers Hyderabad have dominated this rivalry historically, Punjab Kings are expected to win this clash thanks to their current form and more balanced playing 11. So stay tuned for more of such analysis, Dream 11 predictions, and the match predictions only on your favorite channel, Cricket Addictor.